This dog has shown up on the golf course, and it is now chasing the golf balls as the kids are hitting. Out to the green he goes, and the teacher doesn't know what to do with it. This dog from a local neighborhood, apparently. There's Sydney. She's got to stop moving her front foot. But overall, she's swinging pretty well to start with. And the dog continues to chase the golf balls. It's absolutely hysterical. And I don't think it really matters. I don't think he cares if he's going to get hit. Oh, there he goes again. Let's get one more of Sydney swinging. She's got to stop moving that front foot.